Yeah, and coffee, that too.
Subscribe.
Yeah, that too. I don't know how to introduce it apart from like the standard like, hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel.
Hi, welcome back to... Now then.
That's pretty good to be fair. That is hugely how we start. Right, so as beautifully introduced by Lauren, that is this video. We're just going to get coffee. That is all. That is it. Nothing else. Anything else?
Coffee vlog.
Coffee vlog, yeah. Morning coffee. No, what we're doing is we are on our way to VW. Pick up some more bolts. I've got another sort of 40 quid's worth of bolts, which is annoying. Nobody really likes spending money on bolts, but that's where we're going. So we're off to VW, pick those up, and then if any of you are hawk-eyed or incredibly intelligent, you'll realise that there's a set of wheels in the back. Now, obviously you don't know what these wheels are unless you've been on my Instagram recently. So I'll put a little tag of my Instagram here, but these are effectively chosen by you. I put up a picture of these and the response was crazy. Everyone was saying, just get them, get them, get them, get them. So, got them. And they're not in the best shape. So we're going to take them through to Raw Wheels in York. We're going to get a coffee on the way to keep this one happy. And yeah, get them refurbed. We've got some new tyres as well, so it hopefully should be a nice little do. And it means that once we get everything back together on the Polo, that we can stick some new wheels on it, which is exciting. They're a little bit wider than the ones that I've got on it, and much wider than the stock wheels, so hear them clanging in the background. But yeah, so I'll cut to a little time lapse here, on our way to VW, get these bolts, coffee, wheels sorted, and then we'll see what happens later in the day. Right, so we're at VW. I've got loads of bolts. No idea what is what. But they're pretty nice, aren't they? So yeah, that's what 40 quid's worth of bolts looks like. I've just got to figure out which ones are which. So that is the first part of this morning. The second part is getting over to Raw Wheels is where we go. Raw Wheels in York. It's like a wheel refurbishment shop. So I've heard good things about them. I've just asked, and actually the guys at VW use them for all their kind of wheel refurbing needs. So yeah, we're going to drive over there. I'll show you the wheels, and hopefully we'll have a look around the little shop that's going to be refurbing them. See what sort of colours they've got. Have a chat to the guy who runs it, and yeah, see what he's got to say. So yeah, see you soon. Filming the Greg's vibe. Okay, we're back. Quick Greg's stop. That's where the coffee's from today. Comment below, is Greg's the best place for breakfast? A lot of people rate it. I don't think it's the best, but what do you think? What do you think?
Yes.
Right, that smells really good, to be fair. And that is it, we're off because we are on a bit of a time schedule. So, Lauren's eating on the move. Right, so moment of truth. This is what we've got. It's a 13-inch BBSs. They actually offer Mark 1 Golf rather than the G40. I know a lot of people were thinking when I posted the picture on Instagram they were going to be G40 wheels. They're not. They're off a Mark 1 Golf, which means that they're 6 wide rather than 5.5. They've also got like a nice little curved dish rather than a flat face. So we're up at Raw Wheels, showing Raw Wheels with the Raw Dog. Raw Dog, where are you? Raw Dog. So yeah, we're gonna get him ready done. Spoken to Jim, he's recommended he says shite silver. So it's like basically a flat silver from older cars, rather than like a really bright shiny silver from all the new ones. So if that's what he recommends, that's what we're gonna do. Got some new tyres to go on them as well. Yoka A539s for everyone who knows. So yeah, here we go, see what happens. Okay, so Jim was basically nice enough to show me around a bit of behind the scenes at Raw Wheel. So as you can see here, that is just a normal wheel that's come in. And basically they either get acid dipped or shot blasted, depending on how bad they are. Obviously this is a vapor blasting machine. So he was telling me that basically this machine is used for a lot of sort of like engine parts or stuff like that to degrease them. But it's also used for getting the wheels basically ready for paint. This is a diamond cutting machine, so yeah, again, if you've got any wheels that you need diamond cutting, they also do that, which is quite impressive. Serious bit of kit. There's an example of some wheels that have been diamond cut and are waiting to get diamond cut. So yeah, it's all covered at Raw. He does a bit of everything. That is just a shot blasting machine. So we'll remove any loose paint, and then after all that's happened, basically it goes into this sort of wheel washer, as you can see here. Nice bit of kit. So yeah, it stops you using your washing machine at home to wash the wheels. The one yellow wheel in an absolute sea of black. I'm presuming that black's quite a popular colour here at Raw Wheels. And then just a little show of, yeah, more black wheels, a couple of diamond cut ones. So yeah, they can do anything. Custom set of split, so they can do quite a lot of different stuff here. Get in touch should you need any of your wheels doing. Right, so that is it. The wheels are at Raw. Hopefully they should be done soonish. He reckoned 1 or 2 weeks, which is fair enough because they looked like they had a load of wheels to get through when I went down there. So yeah, hopefully we'll get them back soon. Obviously we've got loads of suspension work to be doing in the meantime, so it's not like I can get them back from Raw and stick them straight in the car. No chance. I've got loads of stuff to do. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Trying to reach 500 subscribers before Christmas. Comment which are your favourite wheels. Obviously you saw in that video there's a few little VW wheels, if you noticed in there. There's some snowflakes that he was doing. So yeah, somebody's obviously down there that knows. But yeah, see you in the next one.